How is everyone keeping fairly? Well, I am back again with another vlog. Totally different. I'm vlogging from Dubai, and I'm cooking. Yes, in Dubai. So this evening I want us to go through a simple recipe of making chicken away from home. So I'm just gonna use the ingredients I have over here to cook the chicken. So guys, we are doing chicken. This is our chicken. So guys, this is our chicken. This is what I did. Easy kuku kienyeji broiler. I'm a GMO. So what I did is I just fried, not that's kuweka mafuta mingi, just a little kwa pan kwa sufuria, and then I browned them because it's kienyeji. I mean, it's not kienyeji, and you know the way the broiler is. Normally this is what I do. I just deep fry kiasi tu, not deep fry. I would call it shallow fry kiasi tu, for the chicken to be browned, as you can see. So this is our chicken that has been shallow fried there. Yes. So this is what we want to cook. Hapa ni maji ya mchele. I'm just gonna add salt. Guys, the salt is extra white. Our ingredients for today is chopped onions, dania, hata hizi pia ziko huku. This is a tomato paste, and this is our tomatoes. In here I have tomatoes, just one big one because tomatoes are ziko kubwa sana. 2 pieces of chili, the green ones, and then the carrots. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to blend this. Then I have ini kitungu saumu ama kwa kizungu garlic, and of course mafuta. Yeah, so that's basically what we're going to use, and plus some salt, which I'm just going to show you in a while. Yeah, that's the salt that we're going to use. So let's begin our chicken. Let's cook our chicken. So guys, that's our rice inajipika hapo. Alafu I want to cook our chicken here. So in that same sufuria that I shallow fried it, so I don't want to misuse cooking oil. I'm just gonna do, actually I'm just gonna use little oil, cooking oil, to brown the tomatoes and the onions. So come along. So once our our onions are brown, we add our kitungu saumu or ama garlic. So I've added kitungu saumu. I'm just gonna let that cook for a minute. I need the saumu to cook well, at least for the chicken to get the flavor and the juice from the saumu. Kumbuka, you can cook this. You can use this procedure to cook broiler chicken. Sometimes broiler chicken becomes a challenge when cooking it, and wakati mwingine unapika kisha outcome is just something totally different. So guys, this is our blended tomatoes and carrots plus the chili. So we're gonna add this to our sufuria. We have our chicken. Remember here I've added our blended tomatoes, carrots, and pili. I've put in our salt. I'm just gonna let that cook for a minute or so, then I can put our chicken. So guys, I've added our chicken. I'm just gonna let that cook for 3 minutes or so. You really want to be careful with the broiler chicken kwa sababu you might end up eating something else. Utaki kupika kuku ambaye tayari imekorogeka kwa sufuria, such that when you put it on the table it's no longer chicken anymore. So we're gonna cook that for, what I've done is I've just covered. We're gonna cook that for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll add our dania. So when you're cooking broiler chicken, just don't do a lot of spices, because then it will definitely lose its taste. Sometimes I like just choosing the natural sort of spices as compared to putting more sort of artificial, not like artificial, I mean just putting a lot of spices to the chicken. I just like maintaining it simple. Sekunde 30, 1.5 minutes, and then our chicken will be ready. What do you think, guys? This is chicken away from home, making chicken very far away from home. Guys, our chicken is now ready. Bado tu kuila. Then of course our rice is also ready. So today we are just doing white rice and chicken stew. So guys, this is how our food has turned out. At far from home, bado tunajaribu with the few ingredients that we had here. This is how our dish finally turned out. So you can try that simple recipe, especially when you're cooking chicken broiler. Chicken broiler can really mess you up. It just needs a little bit of twisting, and you're good to go. I mean, the chicken has turned out crunchy. I hope you can try this simple recipe at home. Please try and let me know how it turned out, if it has worked for you. Otherwise, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.